Hey, what's good? My name is Arti Creator and today I'm going to show you how to make your own Instagram filter with neon face or lightning effect. Let's go! For the start, you need to download sparkar Studio. I'm gonna leave a link for sparkar Studio in the description. And hold on guys, I saw a lot of people watching me and not subscribed on my channel. This number is just insane, guys. Please subscribe to this channel because this information is super duper useful, guys. I'm waiting for you. Okay, let's start. Here's our beautiful sparkar Studio. We need to open blank project like that. Here in the scene, we are gonna add object. Add object face tracker. Okay, to the face tracker, we are gonna add face mesh, like that. To the face mesh, we are gonna add material right here. Press on it and let's call this retouch. Retouch. And press on retouch, and here you can see shader type. You need to change shader type to retouching. Here you can adjust levels of skin smoothing, like that. To the face tracker, we are gonna add another face mesh, like that. And to the face mesh, we are gonna add material, create new material. Let's call this material light. Click on light. Here you need to change shader type to the physically based. The next step would be, let's go ahead to the help and download face assets. And also, I'm gonna leave a link for face assets in the description. Here you can download face reference assets. Okay, here's our folder face assets. You need to go to the textures and face mesh mask. You should drop it right here. After you go to the light and to the texture right here, you should add this face mesh mask, like that. And in these settings, we're gonna work with these neon effects, like that. For example, like that. And on render options, you need to find alpha, and here you should click on add, like that. After, let's go ahead and rename our light. Let's call this left light. After that, we are gonna add another light, like that. Add directional light. Make sure they are above face tracker, like that. Let's call this light right light. You can use your mouse like that, right button to change the position of the camera like that, and scroll to make it closer. Click on the right light and make it on the right side, like that. Click on the left light and make it on the left side, like that, like that. Click on the left or right light and change the color of the light if you want to, like that. And like that. Also, here you can change intensity of these lights, like that. Now let's add patch editor. You can find patch editor right here, show and hide patch editor. Let's click on it, and here are patch editor. Double click, and here you should add loop animation. Once again, double click, and here you should add transition, like that, and connect it. After that, click on the right light and find this rotation setting and press on this arrow, like that. Find left light and make the same rotation. Let's link it up like that. Let's change the numbers right here, like that. Let's add one more transition. Find transition and link it up like that, and link it up with the right light. Let's make it like that to make it clear. And here I would add this number. You can play with these numbers however you want. It's rotating now super fast. Let's make it a little bit slower. Yeah, I think 2 is the good one. You can play with the settings right here in the light to make it looks more super duper metallic. Also, you can adjust opacity, like that. Also, you can play with colors, like that, and intensity, like that. 0, 100, 60. Great news, guys, I created my own course about sparkar Studio for beginners. In this course, we are gonna create most popular filters in Instagram and in the world. This course is made for absolute beginners who wants easy to watch and fun project-based lessons. It's super easy to follow. You just open the project and adjust levels and settings for your exact filter. Once again, if you want to go from zero to hero, this is the perfect course for you. I'm gonna leave a link for that course in the description. Feel free to check it out. See you in the class. It was your boy Arti Creator. Peace.